What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Ironheart from Black Panther. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the top edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up. And we'll bend that out towards the left. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Going up and we'll bend that out. Now I'm going to draw a straight angled line coming down the side of the eye. And then from here, we're going to come in and then bend that down. Now I'm going to go back to the outside and draw the bottom of the eye. And come down. I'm just going to tuck that in, leaving a little overlap on the inside. Now in the center of the head, we're going to step up. Let's start with a point. Let's angle this up and out toward the left. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. Now from here, we're just going to bend this around the eye and come down towards the cheekbones. Now we're going to curve the cheeks coming in and then down along the side. So come in and then down. And now we're going to bend this down and then in towards the center point. Down and in. Let's go back up to these two top points. Draw a straight line going up towards the top of the head. Now from the top, I'm just going to bend this around the side of the head. Go out and then just pull that down. Now from here, it's going to curve this in and then down toward the inside. Now I'm going to layer the jaw in underneath. From these 2 points, we'll step in, angle down and in. And we'll bend this down and in towards the center, just underneath the chin. Let's go back to that outside point, bend this out and up. And then from the top, we'll step down, add a trim going up and out. Now I'm going to add a trim along the front of the head. On the left side, let's step up. Just going to follow that angle line coming in towards the center, and then up towards the right. And then going back to that center point, we're going to draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the chin. Let's add 2 bumps along the top. Starting from this point, we're going to go up, and then bend that down on the inside. And we'll curve this up and in toward the center, leaving a gap in the middle. Let's add 1 more bump in the center. Let's add a ridge along each of these points. Starting from the left, draw a straight line coming down, and work our way over towards the right. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the upper body. Let's start over on the left. Start with a straight angle line coming down and out on both sides. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Now let's add some detail. Let's start with a point along the top, angle this up and out toward the left and right side. And come down along the side. And we'll just taper this down and in towards the middle. Let's go back to the center with a point, angle toward the left and right side. And on the right, we're just going to pull this out towards the bottom. Let's go back over toward the left. Just going to round this out. Trace this line coming in. Go up with a short line, and we'll angle this down. Now from the outside point, we're going to step in, curve the body, coming down and in towards the hips. Let's draw a straight angle line, coming in, straight up toward the top. Now it's going to round this out, going out and pull that up underneath the upper torso. Let's close off the center with a curve. Now from the hips, we're going to draw two curves coming down towards the center. Just going to leave a gap in the middle. And we'll close this off with a straight line. Let's work our way down towards the heels. From these 2 points, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the inside of the knee. And we'll curve this in and then down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. From the outside of the foot, bend this up and in. Angle this down and in towards the bottom. And angle this up towards the heel. Now from this top point, we're going to draw a straight line going all the way up towards the knee. And we'll connect the knee to the hip with a curve. We bend this out and then down. Now I add some more detail to the legs. From this point, we're going to step down, curve this up and out. Now we're going to pull this down towards the inside of the knee with a curve. From the inside of the knee, let's step down, bend this out, and then down toward that bottom point. Let's go to the outside of the knee, bend this down and up, and then bend this down and out. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the shoulders. From the outside of the chest, let's step up, straight angle line going up and out. And from the outside, bend this up and in underneath the head. Let's go back to the inside and curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb and close off the end with a bracket. Let's go to the bottom of the thumb, curve the first finger, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to place some armor on top of the hands. Let's start from this point, angle this up and in. Curve this up and out. Let's go back to the bottom. Angle this down and out towards the end. And I'll connect the top to the bottom with a curve. All the way around and then down. Let's trace out that inside edge. Let's add a seam across the top, curve. Now we want to tuck the outside of the arm in behind the shoulder and the armor. So we're going to step down, just bend this in. Let's add a trim along the top with a curve. Now to place the jetpacks in behind the body. Let's start from the left jaw, angle this down and out. Now it comes straight down towards the bottom. And we'll bend this down and in behind the side of the arm. Let's go on top of the shoulders, draw a straight angle line going up and out. And we'll bend this out and then down towards the outside. Let's separate the outside with a straight angled line. Let's go to the inside of the arm, draw a straight angled line coming in towards the hips. We'll pull this in towards the side of the body. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Ironheart from Black Panther. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.